fine and safe at home. Today we will start our next topic, which is animals in their surroundings. Have you ever seen many animals around you, like dog, cat, cow, horse, etc.? So, where they live? They live on land. And some animals like fish, I hope you have seen where it lives. It lives in water. So, according to their living place, they have different habitat. What is the habitat? It is new word for you. So, habitat is the place where an animal lives or reproduces. This place is known as habitat. Different animals live on different places on earth. Where an animal freely live, reproduce and survive, this place is known as its habitat. There are mainly two types of habitat. First one is land and second one is water. Land is the habitat of the animals like horse, tiger, lion, dogs, cow, cat, etc. And water is the habitat of the animals like fish. There are two types of habitat. First is land and second one is water. So, all the land like forest, desert and polar regions are the example of land habitat, and all the water bodies of salty water like sea and ocean, and the water bodies of fresh water like river, pond, lake are example of water habitats. The animals which live on land are called terrestrial animals. Examples are dog, lion, tiger. And the animals which live in water are called aquatic animals like fish, dolphin, jellyfish and many more animals. And some animals are able to survive on both the habitats, like on land and on water. At the both places they can survive. They are called amphibians. And some animals live on tree. They are called arboreal animals. Examples are monkey. Yes. And what are the examples of amphibians? The examples are tortoise, crocodile and frog. Here we will learn about the adaptation in animals. So, what is adaptation? This is a new word for you. Adaptation is the change which animal makes in their body or feeding habits or movements to survive in their unique environment. An animal develops different types of body features in order to survive in their unique surroundings. In order with animal adapt themselves to survive in their habitat. Such adaptation can be in their body covering, feeding habits, or movements. So, firstly, we will learn about the adaptation in body covering. So, in the different surrounding, animals change their body covering. What is body covering? Means their skin, their fur or hair on their body. They adapt themselves according to the condition. Scales. The fish and lizards have scales on their body. The scales of fish is overlapping and waterproof or water resistance, so which protect fish in the water and make it to survive in the water. The same is, and the lizard and snake has leathery body covering. Leathery body covering protect lizard from the sunlight and prevent the loss of water from the scalp. Next is shell. Shell. Some animals like snail, tortoise and turtle have hard shell on their body. They can withdraw their feet and head in the shell when they feel danger. Now, next is feathers. The birds have feathers on their body. But with the help of feathers, they are able to fly, and the feathers protect their body. There are some exceptional birds which have developed their body and feathers, but they are very heavy and cannot fly. Ostrich and emu are the example of flightless birds. Next is hair or fur. Hair or fur we can see easily on the body of the animals. Hair and fur protect the animal from the sunlight or cold season. In the polar region, the polar bear has thick fur on their body. So, the polar bear can live easily in the extreme cold condition. Next one is spines. Spines, when some animals feel danger and they want to protect themselves, so they have spines on their body and they throw the spines on the animals from which they feel danger. So the example of the animal which has spines on their body is porcupine. That is porcupine. Except these animals and these body covering, there are some more type of body covering. Some animals have the ability to merge them with their surrounding. So, we cannot see them or spot them easily. The example of these type of animals are stick insect and leaf insects. When stick insect or leaf insect sit on the tree, we cannot find them easily. In this way, they protect themselves from their enemies. In this order, tiger also have the color and the body strips on its body. So, it can merge itself with their surroundings. The ability to merge with the surrounding is called camouflage. So, the adaptation in body covering are scales, shells, feather, hair or fur, and spines. Repeat with me. Scales, shells, feathers, hair or fur, and spines. Scales, shells, feather, hair or fur, spines. So there are the different adaptation based on body covering.